You draw a striking analogy between a corporate lawyer and a football quarterback. So what qualities do you think they share?
Well, I think they share qualities of organization and leadership, and I think they bring those qualities into play by bringing in many other lawyers in a transaction who are specialists and who work in specialty areas. And really, to get a significant M&A deal done today, you need to draw off of tax, you need to draw off of environmental, you need to draw off of real estate, labor and employment, employee benefits, antitrust, regulatory, in addition to all the things that a corporate lawyer typically does in a transaction.
You have 2 decades of experience in M&A deals, so what do you think separates a good deal lawyer from a great one?
I think experience goes a long way in that regard, because the more you see over the years, the more you come in contact with, the more that you're able to look at difficult issues and find solutions to those issues that get the deal done and yet protect your client at the same time.
What are the strategic considerations you take into account when working on a deal?
I think one of the first things is transaction structure, whether you're going to do an asset purchase transaction, a stock purchase transaction, a merger. One of the things you want to look at is the required shareholder approval that needs to be obtained in order to get the transaction done. You also want to look at taxes and what minimizes the tax hit for your client. And then you look at issues of overall liability exposure. And some structures give you better protection from a liability perspective than others do.
So this comprehensive, meticulous approach is vital to a successful transaction.
It is, and due diligence is at the forefront of that. There's just no substitute for very comprehensive due diligence. Again, there are so many areas of risk in an M&A transaction, and it's your job as the corporate lawyer to make sure your client understands those risks and makes an informed decision.
You have 150 lawyers working here at Whyte Hirschboeck Dudek, a busy, thriving practice. But what's your philosophy here?
Very much one of teamwork. We work together on our corporate team, and we work together with the various specialists within our firm. It's a necessity to do any major transaction well, and that's our philosophy.
And that approach has brought you a remarkably diverse set of clients.
Very diverse, from smaller to mid-sized privately held companies and family-owned companies to large publicly traded companies and everywhere in between. We work in a lot of different industry sectors, in the chemical industry, the energy industry, the seed industry, the food industry. We do a lot of work with a lot of manufacturers and distribution companies, and it's quite a diverse range of clients.
Richard Silverthorn, thank you very much.
Thank you.